There's only like a 1B and a 1 in this collection, so it ain't no natural. Ain't no natural going on in here, you know. This is for your medium ghetto people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back. Today is Friday. We doing a wig review. Because that's what we doing on this channel, like majority wig reviews. So, I mean, duh. Today we are reviewing this Outre Color Bomb collection in 20. Okay, you gotta say it like that, 20. All right, so this is Miss 20. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I have the color on the stock card. This is the Sunburst Gold, and let's talk about her. This is from the Color Bomb collection. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Outre's Color Bomb collection, but they have a lot of color that are bomb in this collection. Okay, Outre is known for their color blends. They do a really good job, but this Color Bomb collection is just like bam, you know what I'm saying, in your face, like girl. It says salon quality balayage colors, color tint roots, face framing highlights, selfie worthy styles, premium synthetic fibers, soft Swiss lace. So this is what the rest of the colors are looking like. This collection basically is exactly that. It sells selfie worthy styles. I think it's so funny when they say selfie worthy. Are we just wearing these wigs to selfies? Is that what's going on now, Trey? But she's cute. She definitely is a look. You can get like really nice looks with these wigs. So this wig does come very basic. It has that lace part in the middle. You can't really pull her up. There's no, this is all you really getting. You can shift it to the right or the left, but you can't be doing all that. It ain't no pulling up with this wig. The cap to me feels like I wish it was a little bit bigger. The back does have that ventilated cap, so you kind of could stretch it. I noticed when you kind of like pull the wig like from the back up, it kind of makes a difference versus like pulling it from the front, if that makes sense. You kind of gotta like start pulling it from that stretchy part, and it kind of does fit better, but you know, it is what it is. This wig is very silky. It's one of those fun wigs. It's very silky, but my hands are going through it very nicely. It's gliding, it's fine. This wig is really basic. It's nothing special. The only thing special about this wig is this color, baby. This color blend. This is what you're paying for with this wig. You ain't paying for no high premium, ooh, I feel good fibers and all of that. I mean, yeah, she's okay, but she's kind of basic. But you're definitely paying for a statement with this wig. There's only like a 1B and a 1 in this collection, so it ain't no natural. Ain't no natural going on in here, you know. This is for your medium ghetto people. This wig is not for like the average person. This is for your fun people, okay? This is for your very fun people. You're very I don't want to say ghetto, because to wear colors like this doesn't mean that you ghetto, but I mean, you could be medium ghetto, right? But yeah, this is definitely a statement wig. When you start messing in big, bold colors, don't be afraid when people come ask you questions and they come start talking to you. This is not for the I don't feel like talking to nobody wig, okay? This is a wig that you're gonna walk in and make a statement, okay? So that's exactly what this wig is for. Color bomb. I'm really happy with these colors. Outre does a really good job with their color blends. Like, you see how you have like your 1B here, but then you kind of have like your yellow and orange and golds and all of that going on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I like the waves on this one. It's like, this is kind of trending right now, like this crimped look. So this is cute that it's trending. It's like everybody's doing this crimp look right now, but it's like, I got my hair crimped, but guess what? I got color to go with her. So I really do like that about it. At first I was a little bit scared with yellow and, you know, colors and stuff, but seriously guys, if you've been following me, I've only been doing this for about a year. Check earlier on my channel. I was scared. I wasn't really messing in colors, and I slowly started dabbling in colors. It's a wig, girl. It's a wig. Put it on, make yourself come to life, and just play. Just play. It's not that serious. It's a wig. So there are other nice colors. There's some corals, some blondes, some lavenders. It's a lot of nice colors in here, but definitely this is a statement. There are other color bombs in the Outre collections, but Outre does a really good job, I feel like, with the color bombs. Cause guess what? This color is the bomb! Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Is she too much for you, or do you feel like, you know, do you feel a little bit spicy with this wig? Do you feel like, okay, I can step out a little bit with this wig? Let me know how you guys are feeling, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.